Webex Academy on Demand. Learn Webex your way. Webex Events, formerly Socio.
Hello, Donna from Webex Events here. In this welcome video, I'll guide you through an overview of Webex Events Onsite. Webex Events Onsite is a customizable product used to create and print badges and check-in attendees. You can use Onsite as a standalone product or in conjunction with other Webex Events products, like Webex Events Registration. Let's start with the initial setup of Onsite for an existing event. From the Events homepage, click Start for the Onsite product located in the lower center of the page. The Onsite page appears. Click Get Started and the Basics page appears. Note that you can also access the Onsite page from the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. The Basics page is where you add the Onsite title, usually the same as your event title, the subtitle, which is customizable, and upload the logo that displays on the attendee check-in page by clicking the Upload button and following the on-screen prompts. Review the iPad preview on the right side of the window for both portrait and landscape formats. Click the Save and Continue button located in the lower right corner of the window, and the Onsite app page appears. The Onsite app has 4 setup pages, which are accessed using the steps across the top of the page: Appearance, Check-in page, Confirmation page, and Other settings. Let's explore each. On the Appearance page, click the Event Check-in Options toggles to activate or deactivate the choices for your attendees to check in with QR code or check in with search. Click the iPad Layout radio buttons to choose the check-in screen layout, and update the options in the Background section to choose the background color or image. Don't forget to review the iPad settings for your choices to make sure you like how everything displays. Click Save and Continue, which takes you to the Check-in page. The Check-in page offers options to automatically print badges at check-in using Fast Track, or to customize the page title and print badge button text. Click the Badge Field toggles for fields that display on the iPad at check-in. Click the pencil icon next to the field name to make the field editable or not editable by attendees during check-in. And again, review the iPad preview of the attendee profile portion of check-in. Click Save and Continue, which takes you to the Confirmation page. The Confirmation page lets you customize the title and confirmation text that appears after the attendee checks in. The supported Variables printer location automatically adds the correct printer to the title field for the device that the attendee uses to check in. Review the iPad preview of the Confirmation page after check-in is complete, and click Save and Continue, which takes you to the Other Settings page. The Other Settings page lets you change the check-in device settings, unlock password, which is highly recommended, adjust timeout settings and badge reprint limits using the slide bars. Click Save. Next, let's explore badges. In the event navigation bar on the left side of the screen, under Onsite, click Badge. You'll notice there's already a default badge listed. To the right of the badge is the Settings 3-dot icon. Click this to edit details of the badge, edit design for layout and elements that appear on your badge, clone a badge, and when you add additional badges, there is also an option to delete. You'll find the number of exclusive groups assigned to the badge, the status of the badge, and when the badge was last updated. You can clone the default badge or click the New Badge button located in the upper left area of the page to create a new badge. Enter the badge name and select the exclusive groups associated with the newly created badge. Click Create, and the Badge Design page appears. Use the Design Tools panel on the left side of the page to set up and add elements to the badge preview on the right side of the page. Select the badge size for your event using the Layout tool. As you add elements from the other tools to display on the badge, like user information, adding images, adding additional text, and adding shapes, you can move them around and resize them on the badge preview until you have a design you like. For any badge element you add from the Design Tools panel, you can create a rule based on exclusive groups or registration data so that the element only prints on badges when the rule conditions are met. For example, you can have a different icon shape for general admission versus VIP exclusive groups, or a special indicator for staff and sponsor badges. To access the Visibility Rule setup, click the Settings icon on the badge element in the Design Tools panel and select Visibility. Click the Assign to Exclusive Group field and select groups from the drop-down list. Use the rule conditions to select a registration field and corresponding value to activate the rule. If additional criteria is needed in the rule, click to select AND or. Then click Add Condition and repeat the process. Click Save Changes when you're finished to go back to the badge page. Now that we've set up Onsite, we're ready to publish. Click the Publish Badges button located in the upper right corner of the page, and you'll see a reminder to refresh each check-in device's Onsite app from the device's settings for your changes to take effect in the app. Click Publish to close the reminder. And click Continue Managing to close the final confirmation message. View the check-in analytics from the Metrics page. From here you can view, export, and share information about your event.
Webex Events, formerly Socio.